Woohoo! I'm here playing with my bike. Got my 2018 Big Ripper. The Ride Out Supply sprocket. Ride Out Supply freewheel. Today I got a Conspiracy Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. About to pop that baby on. Got my Shadow Conspiracy chain breaker tool. I'm about to put this baby on right now.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. I just got a new chain. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. I'm about to put it together right now. So I got everything set up right here. This right here. It has this little pin right here to help guide the chain through. Put this over here. I picked a bad spot because of the crank. But anyways, put that right there. Put the pin through. Look it. Can you see it? The baby pushes the other pin out. Check it out. This is what it looks like when it's done. Gotta make sure this flat part is on the top. It's pretty sick. Ride Out Supply, Shadow Conspiracy, SC Bikes. What's up, baby? Let's go.